my beautiful people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you're just joining us for the very first time, you are so welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a remedy that will tighten up your sagging boobs. Now if you use this remedy and you're so consistent in using it, you are not going to be having a sagging boobs again. Your boobs is going to be as standing as it was when you start growing your boobs. You know what I mean? Alright, so if you want to know what comprises of my remedy, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, endeavor to ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my description box and also my comment section. Alright, let's dive into this video. The first ingredient we're going to be needing for this tightening boobs remedy will be maca powder. Maca powder is great for the skin, is great for the hair, it's great in boosting your hormone. Maca powder promotes energy. It also helps to tighten up the skin. It's great for pigmentation and dark spots. It's great for firming up a sagging skin as well as firming up a sagging boobs. Okay, so we're going to be needing this a whole lot. And the next ingredients we're going to be needing will be Fuller's Earth or Multani Meaty. Fuller's Earth clay powder is a powerful antioxidant that helps so much in tightening up the skin, and it helps to firm up a loose and sagging skin. With the help of Fuller's Earth powder, to keep your skin flawless and smooth, and it also helps to keep your skin looking young. Alright, so we're going to be needing that a whole lot. And the next one we're going to be needing will be cucumber. Cucumber is loaded with numerous benefits and also antioxidants. It is great for the skin. It is great to glow and tighten up a sagging skin. It also great for reduction of excessive large and open pores. It's great in tightening up a loose and sagging breast. Alright, so we're going to be needing this a whole lot. And the next ingredients we're going to be needing will be miracle powder. Now we need this so much because it helps for the skin. With a pinch of miracle powder would help so much in firming up the skin, removing knuckles, pimples, stretch mark, pigmentations and dark spots, and to also firm and tighten up the skin. So we're going to be needing just a little pinch of this. Alright, so now let's prepare our ingredients together. First we're going to be taking the cucumber, and then we're going to be cutting that into pieces. Okay, and then I want to blend this cucumber. Alright, so we're going to be cutting into pieces so to enable the blender blend it really well. Alright, but you can also create yours. If you can't blend, you can just create it. Alright, I'm going to be transferring this into a blender. Okay. Then I'm going to put it in just a little bit of water, and I'll go blend this all up, and I'll be right back. Alright, so here is our blended cucumber, and this is well blended. Now I'm going to be turning in the Fuller's Earth and also the maca powder, which is actually really great for firming up and tightening up the boobs. So I'm going to be taking 1 teaspoon of the maca powder, And for the miracle powder, I'll have to scoop out just a little quantity, because just a little would do the job for us. Okay, so that will be okay. And to make this even more effective, we're going to be putting in grapeseed oil. Okay, just a little bit of grapeseed oil, and that will be perfect. Okay, so I'm going to be mixing and stirring all this ingredient together to give me a fine paste. Alright, so you have to actually mix it really well, because the miracle powder can sometimes be very stubborn in mixing, because it's really small and very effective. Okay, so I'm going to go and mix it again, and this is great. So how you're going to apply this treatment, you're going to take the treatment with your hands, and then you're just going to apply it on your chest down to your breast, you know, just like that, and then you massage it through. Now you also have to remember that massage is the key to a firm and tightened breast, so you have to really hold it and really, you know, massage it really well. Okay, just like this, massage it just like that, from the up to the, you know, top, from the down to the top, and all of that. Okay, just like that. Okay, so after which you've massaged this, or you have to hold on for like some minutes, and then you massage it again. Okay, when you're done massaging, you then wash this off with a lukewarm water, and you apply olive oil and massage it really well. Okay, so the thing is that you have to be consistent, and you also have to be patient while applying this treatment to your skin. Okay, it's gonna be very friendly and helpful, and then you can store it for a couple of days, a week at most, and after that you just, you know, dispose it and make a new one. You necessarily do not make so much, so you can, you know, finish it at a go. Basically guys, you know, the key to natural ingredients working on your skin and doing the things in which you want it to do is consistency and patience. Okay, so when you're consistent in using this treatment on your boobs, you are going to be having the effect that you so desire. And this is actually very natural and very friendly, and it does tighten up your boobs. Okay, so that's it. If you did love the video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video, and also turn on the bell right beside the subscribe button, so you will be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions you want to ask me, please do ask all of your questions on my website. The link will be at my comment section and also my description box. Alright, follow me on Instagram guys, because I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.